chronic back pain is a royal pain in the butt or back. Despite the fact that it's a more invisible type, a struggle to deal with back pain can completely derail your life, keeping you from physical exercise that makes you feel good from head to toe, from spending time with the people you love, or even from getting a good night's sleep. Believe it or not though, there are actually plenty of foods that reduce back pain, and if you could solve your problems by eating some delicious foods, why wouldn't you? Now, the foods. First is kale. A kale salad is an easy way to throw some green into your life. Throw a handful into a smoothie. That way, you can reap the benefits and pretend you never ate it in the first place. Second is olive oil. Olive oil has several proven health benefits, including its anti-inflammatory capabilities and the fact that it's filled with antioxidants, one of which is something called oleocanthal, a chemical that's basically been shown to work like ibuprofen for pain in the body. Third is milk, cheese, and yogurt. In addition to looking for foods that have anti-inflammatory properties, you should also make sure your diet is filled with calcium to maintain and strengthen your bone mass. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are all excellent sources of calcium. Fourth is ginger. Ginger is the superfood to end all superfoods. It contains extremely powerful anti-inflammatories called gingerols, which have been proven to significantly reduce pain in arthritic individuals. Fifth is salmon. Salmon is packed with the omega-3 fatty acid, a healthy fat known to help those living with chronic pain. This tasty fish also has calcitonin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in joints. Sixth is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that's so popular. The main active ingredient within turmeric is curcumin, which is an incredibly powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Seventh is coffee. Coffee has a magical tendency to make you feel like you're flying through the air with unicorn wings, which may help distract you from any pain you're feeling in the first place. Consider a cup a day to keep your back pain at bay. Eighth is nuts. Almonds, pecans, walnuts, and Brazil nuts are all excellent nut options if you're looking for solid sources of anti-inflammatories. Ninth is red grapes. Red grapes contain an anti-inflammatory called resveratrol, a compound also found in other berries and peanuts, which has been found to fight pain. 10th is thyme. Thyme is an herb that will work a little differently to help you deal with chronic pain. Thyme can essentially reduce your perception of pain, acting as a natural painkiller.